Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Stripe in your WooCommerce payment. In WordPress. For WooCommerce, here's what you need to do. So here, you'll be having your main interface, right? Well, what you need to do from here is you need to go down here on the left side of your screen, go down and head over to Woo. Right here, you can set up a store. So you can start a new store. So this is your WooCommerce store right here, right here. And what you want to do there is you want to add Stripe as your payments. Well, one thing you need to do is to head over to plugins. Then from here, type in WooCommerce and then download this one right here. WooCommerce, install this one, download it. But take note that if you're going to be using this, you need to definitely upgrade your WordPress. You need to pay the monthly or business plan subscription for you to upgrade and activate the plugin. But that's basically what you need to do. You just pay for the plugin and the blog domain as well. That will cost you around $20. And then go back here. Once you have installed this, just go back and then here download this as well. Woo Payments, integrated WooCommerce payments. Download this and activate it. And then from there, you want to go back here on the search bar and type in Stripe. Here you can see Stripe, WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. So this is what you will need. Now, there are some things that you need in order to get this plug-in. First of all, you're gonna need again to upgrade your plan to install plugins. So yeah, just upgrade and then activate. Once you click on activate, automatically it'll ask you for your Stripe account, at the same time your WooCommerce account, in order for it to sync and to be able to link in. And then afterwards, that's it. Just click on activate and you have already successfully installed Stripe as your payment gateway to WooCommerce. So just for a recap, what you need to do is to go to plugins on WordPress, go to plugins, install WooCommerce, and then install WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway, and then activate both as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.